I don't want to waste my ripe plantain. So I'm gonna make something like this. This is, we call banana turon. So let me show you how to do it. I have cornstarch here, liquid. And I have some sugar. I'm gonna peel this plantain. Cut it about like that. And I'm gonna slice it a little thinner to make it crispy when you fry. Just like that. And you can get the wrappers, any of Oriental store, any kind, the wrappers, it's work. I use these thin ones, extra crispy. And I'm gonna put my banana here. And put a little sugar on top. Fold it both ends. Sealed up with your cornstarch at the end of these wrappers. I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna put in the freezer. Then you can fry it just like that, hard. And when it's hard, you can transfer it to a Ziploc bag so it won't take too much room in your freezer. Any kind of wrappers from the Oriental store, it's work. Sometimes I use the square one, Wason, the red wrappers. See, it's not very hard if you used to it. And you can use this also for egg rolls, this kind of wrappers. See, this very easy to do this. I just line up like this, and then when it's got filled up, one layer, I'm gonna put in between this so it won't be touched together. And then just put it in your Ziploc bag when it's get hard and ready to fry. And you just can make it just like this. We call this banana turon back in the Philippines. Thank you for watching.